The 2022 MV Agusta 1000 Nurburgring is the most extreme Brutale model which will MV Agusta produced in limited series. The most extreme Brutale ever boasts dynamic performance never achieved before, thanks to a series of improvements focused on the chassis and the technical features, enhancing the design that has always been the distinctive element of this extreme naked engine. The 2022 MV Agusta Brutale 1000 Nurburgring has a potent inline 4 that puts out 208 horsepower at 13,000 revolutions per minute. Of course, that won't be enough for the cognoscenti, who will slip on the included racing kit that ups the production to 215 horsepower at 13,200 revolutions per minute. Overrev takes you past 14k. There's also a cassette-style 6-speed transmission with a third-generation quickshifter, plus a slipper clutch. Top speed is over 186 miles per hour. Suspension. Öhlins gets the call for suspension responsibilities, and it's a semi-active unit. The Nick CC fork has a tin coating on the sliders. The ECTTX shock gets help from a linkage system. The electronic adjustment of the suspension is limited to the damping. Spring preload is manually adjusted. There's also an electronic Öhlins steering damper that can be adjusted manually or automatically. The subtle carbon fiber spoiler cowl above and around the headlight is the only bodywork change to the new MV Agusta Brutale 1000 RR Nurburgring. While designed to increase downforce, it also sets the bike apart as a limited edition. Tft Dashboard. 5.5-inch Tft Dash integrates with your smartphone via the MV Ride app and Bluetooth. Electronic. The electronics package is thorough. In addition to a quickshifter, steering damper, and semi-active suspension, there is also cornering-aware Continental MK100 ABS. The control gang is their traction aids level plus off, wheelie, launch, and cruise. There are also 4 power modes, along with the racing kit's own track-focused mode. Also, the 5.5-inch Tft Dash integrates with your smartphone via the MV Ride app and Bluetooth. Brakes. Front brakes, floating 320mm discs, Brembo-style calipers and Brembo radial pump. Rear brake 220mm disc, Brembo hydraulics. ABS, cornering-aware Continental MK100 rear wheel lift mitigation. Wheels. The carbon fiber wheels are matched to CNC machines hubs. MV Agusta mounts Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa SP tires to the rims. Exhaust. Shown here with the race spec Arrow 4.2.1 exhaust, the Nurburgring is as deliberate and brutal as the rest of MV's Brutale 1000 lineup, but with some real performance advantages. The Arrow exhaust is included in the package, but installing it is up to you.